So today I'll be discussing with you how to resolve a situation whereby your device, your Windows 10 or Windows 11 device, just keep on looping. If, for example, you start your Windows 11 device and it keep on rebooting without you going to and getting into Windows operating system. So I'm going to show you how to actually resolve that issue. First of all, you need to actually get your Windows 11 or Windows 10 device to the advanced option. So you can see we have, you say choose an option, we have continue, which of course if you continue, definitely your device is going to restart without you getting to a Windows 11 operating system. So here we need to actually choose the second option, which is reset your PC or see advanced options. So here you can see it says reset this PC, or we want to actually go to the more advanced options. And under the advanced option, you can see we have different options here, but we're actually interested in a command prompt. So it says use the command prompt for advanced troubleshooting. So if you are not working as an IT professional, you can actually still follow the steps, and believe you me, your problem will be resolved. So just click command prompt. You can see it's going to take you to the command prompt automatically. And if, for example, your device is being managed by BitLocker, if BitLocker is configured on your device, you may receive a message which says unlock the drive. So you can actually use the manage BDE /unlock C to actually unlock your device. So definitely you need to know the password. But what you want to do right now is to do the following. So we're going to enter check disk / and then we're going to just put arrow, which means that it's going to check your disk, and if any error is being found, it's going to actually repair it. But you can see at this moment we are actually at the S drive. So the S drive, if you just click hit enter, now you're going to receive an error message. So what you want to do is to tap, just enter C and then enter double point. And here we go. So right now I cannot just hit enter, and it says, you can see it actually goes very fast. But at this moment you can see, because there are no error on my device, and this is actually a test device, that's why it goes very fast. So you can actually, if I go, just you can see it says stage 1, it says examining basic file system structure, 256 files record processed, and the files verification completed. So you can see it goes actually very Windows has scanned the file system and found no problem. But if a problem is being found on your device, it's going to actually try to fix that problem. It's going to give you a message that says problem has been found and it has been fixed, and then we can now restart our device. So now we can just click on continue to a Windows 11 device, and your device will log on to Windows 11. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. This is how you actually solve a situation whereby your device, your Windows 10 or Windows 11, just keep looping and restarting without you getting into your operating system. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel or like my video. You can actually share my video to someone if you think this video is of any help can be of any help to your friends or family. And please don't forget to leave a comment, or if you have any question, you can always send me a personal email from my blog. I'm going to leave the website of my blog on this video, so you can send me a personal email and I'll try my possible best to reply to you as quick as possible. Thank you very much and goodbye.